Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Wi-Fi. And to call Siri, firstly we need to add it to the gesture, because by default you cannot call Siri. So you need to open HUAWEI AI Live application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and then go to the gesture control right here in the left side, and we can set it only for the double press. So you need to select you want to use the left or right earbud, tap at the best one for you. You can also set it for the both. I just want to add it for the right earbud, and right here you need to click Wake Voice Assistant. As I said, we can set it only for the double press. On the triple press we have no option to set it. The same with the press and hold, nothing, and on swipe we have only volume control. Now let's check it. So I press 2 times at my right earbud, 1, 2, and as you can see, Siri awake, so it works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!